Hey everybody, it's me Joe, and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the word almost. Lots of students mix up this word and they use it incorrectly. So I want to make a short video, very quick, to teach you the word almost. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to ask you some questions to see if you understand. All right, so hang around to the end of the video and you can really check your knowledge. Also, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Joe. I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. As you can see, I am outside right now and it's actually pretty cold. My daughter is behind the camera and she's going to get angry pretty soon if we stay out here too long. But if you want to learn more English and get better at grammar and speaking and learn more vocabulary, I suggest you consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell down below. That way when I upload a new video or if I have a live lesson, you'll be one of the first ones to know. Okay, here is the problem with the word almost. Many students think the word almost is the same as the word most, and it is not. So they use it incorrectly. I have many students say, almost Japanese love rice. That is incorrect. So you don't mean to say almost Japanese. There's two ways you can fix this. You can change the word almost to the word most and say most Japanese love rice. Or you can use the word all. So almost all Japanese love rice. Okay, that's the way you can use it. If you just say almost, it doesn't mean most. The word almost means nearly. Okay? So we use it a lot with time. Hey, it's almost time to leave. Or it's almost lunchtime. Okay? Or, boy, that car almost hit me. So it nearly hit me. It's nearly lunchtime. That's how we use it. Not to mean the same as most. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask you some questions and you read the sentence and try and fill in the blank. Should it be almost? Or should it be another word? Okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you got all the answers right. To give you more practice, in the comments down below, write a sentence using the word almost about your country or your life, and I'll check your grammar and I'll write back to you, okay? Also, you should check in the notes below this video and you'll see more learning opportunities. I always like to put links to learning opportunities in there. All right, everybody, that's it for now. Bye-bye.